Hey folks, I wanted to tell you quick about a run that's coming up at AOAA. There is a small group here in the Lehigh Valley called the Jeep Enthusiasts of Eastern Pennsylvania. They're not quite a club, not quite a group. They're small and they're new, and I've been thinking a little bit about getting more involved with this group, because more involvement in a group is better. Anyway, their spring run at AOAA is coming up April 6th. And the reason I'm telling you about it is not just because it sounds like a fun event, but because the proceeds benefit a guy that I told you guys about a couple months ago. This fellow, his wife was diagnosed with a rare form of cancer, and he has a GoFundMe open, or he had, I don't know if he still does, where he was raising money for medical bills. This ride benefits him and his family. So it's a good cause. I'm going to be there. I'm going to be guiding unless they don't need me or something, but I volunteered to guide. Tammy, Jeep Mama, is going to be there. So if you've never met her and you want to, she's supposed to be there. And I saw a couple other friendly faces on the list of folks who said they're going to be there. I will try to find, if I can post a link to it in the description of this video, I will. If I can't, if you go to Facebook and search for Jeep Enthusiasts of Eastern Pennsylvania. It's on their group, their page. There's a group as well, but on their page, in their events, you can see it right there. So yeah, check it out. It's for a good cause, and all of the money that you spend, you can choose how much you want to donate when you buy a ticket. And then of course, the event itself, you just have the normal park fees, and then it's just an organized ride basically. So yeah, I will see you guys there if you go. If you don't go, then you can donate. If you want to just donate, go ahead and buy a ticket and donate. And I guess maybe you can tell them if you don't think you're going to attend and just wanted to donate. But that would be awesome. So yeah, I'll see you there if you go. If not, I'll catch you on the next one.